Lesson 5.8 is using a calculator to convert fractions to percents. The objective is to discuss the meaning and uses of percents, and then introduce using a calculator to convert those decimals into percents. So far we've talked about fractions, and we've converted them into decimals. Today, we'll work on percents. So let's take a look at the example. This is in your math journal. You can see that they started with the fraction 14/23 and used their calculator to divide. And they got this long decimal. They took the decimal times 100, and that gave them 60, and then the decimal following. And so they're going to use this number and round it up to make a percent. So down here they have this long percent. We're going to round to the nearest percent when we do these problems, to the nearest whole percent. And since we have an 8 in the tenths place, we'll round it from 60 up to 61. So let's take a look at another example. We have 12/67. We're going to get out our calculator. And we're going to start by dividing. 12 divided by 67. 67 equals, and we get our nice long decimal. So I'm going to write it down in the box. 179,104. Now, when we changed it to a percent, remember we multiplied by 100. So if you multiply by 100, now I have 17 and then a decimal. So if you notice, my decimal place just moved over 2 spaces. So 17, and then I have 9104. Now remember, I want to round to the nearest whole percent. So I look at the 9 in the tenths place. The 9 tells my 17 to go up. So what I would write here is really 18.